lagi ko na ako kasi malagi. Thank you always sa support nyo. Sobrang thankful ako sa inyo. Even yung pag-check up nyo sa akin, I'm really thankful for that. Even yung presence nyo ngayon sa mga nyo dito. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for making me happy always. Thank you for always coloring my life. And yeah, don't worry, this won't be the end. Siyempre, we have a lot of things to do in the future, especially with you guys and I hope that you guys will support us until the very end. And I hope that you guys are looking forward for what 2026 has to offer to us as well. Yeah, Creon, thank you so much. Eman, Jerky, and to all the staff, hindi ko lang na-mention, lahat, Compan, Daisy, Francis, wala ko ba ako, di ko na makita yun, sa KAs, everyone, thank you guys so much. And also to Captain 408, thank you guys so much for letting us do the Pacific Tito, and yeah, I hope that, I feel like ito yung last event for this year. I don't know, hindi ko lang, you know, hopefully, over. Pero yun, thank you so much. May iba sa inyo na galing may hinga. And we always know na it's no biggie sa amin. If you guys want to take a rest sa buhay, or you know, after, go take your break. We are always here waiting for you guys. Tandaan mo na may bahay pa kayo uwi. Hindi ko lang kayo pala. And yun, remember that you guys are having problems as well. Kasi at the end of the day, sabi nyo kami sa natin, sa nyo bagay, mga aspects of life. Yeah, I don't know think that some goes on for me. Thank you guys so much for coming here, for making this event possible, even though this is like last minute. And yeah, sa lahat ng sponsors din, thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring this event. And yeah, I couldn't have done this without you guys. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the event today. And I hope to see you guys at the next few events from Aster and Creon. Yay! Halika!